Hello and welcome to Olympiad tutorial. I am Aparna Adhikari and today I am going to conduct the video lecture on the alphabet test. In today's class, we are going to learn about what is alphabet reasoning. We'll see few more examples related to them. So let's start our today's video lecture. In alphabet test, you have four types of questions. So depending on the questions, how you have to solve the alphabet series, that we'll look into the details. So in type 1, you have the question how to arrange the numbers given in the corresponding letters so that they form a meaningful word. So you are going to get a series of number and each number is going to be assigned with a corresponding alphabet. And then what you have to do, you have to arrange it to make it a meaningful word. In short, you can say that you are going to get a scrambled word or a jumbled word and you have to unscramble that word and make a meaningful word out of that. In type 2, you have to find the words from the options which can or cannot be formed from the given letter. Like suppose you have a word flower. So from this flower word, how many more words you can make with a combination of the alphabets which are given. So in that way, the question is asked that can you make or frame any word from the given word or you cannot frame. Okay. So by just observation and little bit of thinking, and if you have a good knowledge of English words, then easily you can solve this kind of questions. So students have to observe carefully all the letters given in the questions and find the combination of letters from the given option that contain or does not contain that letter. Okay. Next is type 3. You have to form a meaningful word and find the category of the word. So you have to arrange the scrambled word or the jumbled word to form a meaningful word and in which category it is going to lie. Maybe you'll be given a scrambled word and four options will be given regarding that. Okay, so you have to first of all identify that word and it is going to fit into which category, that option you'll have to select. And in type 4, you have how to identify the combination of letters that has same numbers of skipped letters between the adjacent number. So in this type, you are going to get an alphabetic series. And in that series, you'll be assigned or they will tell you in the question itself that select the second letter, select the fourth letter, and using those letters, you have to form some certain kind of words or any other questions may be asked related to that alphabetical series. So now in today's lecture we'll see few questions and in continuation to this topic again in the next lecture we'll see the questions which are asked in the exams also. So let's start with our basic questions. So here the directions for question number 1 to 4 is given. So first four questions are of the similar type. So you have to follow them very carefully. And children, you have to always remember that whenever you are going to solve any question, first of all, read the question. First, once you read the question, if you have any doubt, read it once again. First, make the concept clear in your mind. If the concept is clear in your mind, if you understand the question well, then and then only you will be able to solve the question. Okay. So what is our question? In each of the questions, some letters are given which are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 followed by 4 options containing the combination of these words. Find the combination of numbers so that the letters are arranged accordingly to form a meaningful word. So here you have a series of alphabets and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numberings are given in that. Okay. So now in two ways you can solve it. In the first type, what you can do is just by seeing the jumbled word. Now here you have a jumbled word or a scrambled word. What you have to do? You have to first of all unscramble it. You have to try to make a meaningful word out of it. So here first we'll just look at the alphabets and try to form a meaningful words. So these kind of questions are also asked in the English Olympiad. So this can be also useful there. So just by watching it, I can just write down Police. The answer is going to be police. If just by observing the letters, you can frame the word, then well and good. And if not, now you have to just see the options, like see the option for A, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 6. So whatever order is given here, in that order you have to arrange the alphabet. So number 3 is E. Okay. E is denoted by number 3, then 4 is denoted by L, 5 is denoted by O, 1 is denoted by I, 2 is denoted by P, and 6 is denoted by C. So this word, it isn't a meaningful word. So we cannot consider the option number 1. Now let's move on to option number B. So what is the first letter? Will be 4. 4 means L. Then 5 means O. 1 means I. 2 means P. 3 is E. And 6 is C. Even this is not a meaningful word. Now let's move on to the next option, that is option number C. So the first number is 2. So the corresponding letter is P. 5 corresponds to O. 4 will give you L. 1 will give you I. 6 will give you C. And 3 will give you E. So quite simple. You got the word police. That means your option number C is going to be your correct option. Okay. And suppose you are having, just by observing you can find out this word, like as in the very beginning I told you this word is going to be police. So now what you have to do, just you can just check it with the numbers here. So below the alphabet just you can write that numbers. P is corresponding to 2, 0 is 5, 4 is L, I is 1, or C, and for C you have 6, and for E you have 3. So this option is option number C. Okay. Any one of this method you can use, either by just observing the alphabets you can frame it, or by using the options you can try to solve it. Okay. See now here in this option you can see again TRIFU. Now we'll just try to solve it using the option method. Okay. So first option you can just check it out. 42531. 4 is F, 2 is R, 5 is U, 3 is I, and 1 is T. So right from the first option you have got the meaningful word, that is fruit. So there is no need of trying out other options, okay, because we have got already the answer, fruit. This is a meaningful word, so your option number A is going to be correct. And just if you have to just see the scrambled word, even by seeing the word you will see that you are going to get the word FRUIT. These scrambled words are basically asked in the English Olympiad, and in the Math Olympiad, if it is asked, then it is going to be along with the numbers. The numbers will be given corresponding to the letters, and you will have to form the meaningful words. Okay. Now next, CIECRL. 6 letters are there, and just by observing, I can tell you that the answer is going to be CIRCLE, circle. Now we'll see this circle word, what are going to be the, which is the correct option for that. C is going to correspond to 1, I is 2, R is 5, again this C is 4, then next you have L, that is 6, and E is 3. So you can see the option number D is 1, 2, 5, 4, 6, 3. And even we have got 1, 2, 5, 4, 6, 3. So your option number D is going to be the correct option. Okay, children. Now next one, FALH. So we'll just write the other method using the options. Okay, first option is 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be same as the given word. The next is 4, 2, 3, 1. 4 is H, 2 is A, 3 is L, and 1 is F. So we have got the word half. So this is a meaningful word. So your option number B is going to be the correct option. Okay. So try to solve more and more questions on this arrangement of this jumbled words. Okay. So now next question. In this you have to use a certain rule and try to solve it. So what is the rule? The number of letters skipped in between adjacent letter in the series decreases by 1. Above, which of the following series is following the above rule? So in this series, whenever you are going to write the alphabets, the distance between the alphabets, it is going to be decreasing by 1. Like suppose you take the first series A, C, E and G. So from A to C if you move, then you will have to move plus 2 letters. Okay. A, B, C means plus 2. And then C, D, E. Here also you get plus 2. E, F, G. That means here again you have plus 2. Okay. So here you cannot implement this rule. So your option 1 is going to be incorrect. Now let's check the second option. That is L, N, O, Q. Always make a habit of solving it on a rough page. Okay. When you are solving these kind of questions. So first of all, write the whole alphabets in an order A to Z and then try to solve it. Then that will be more easy for you. So from L you have to go to N, then you have 2 alphabets. N to O you have 1 alphabet and O to Q again you have 2 alphabet. So this is not a decreasing. So here plus 2 plus 1 plus 2. So this is not a decreasing series. Then next B, E, G and H. If you consider this. So from B if you move on to E, B, C, D, E, that means 3 plus 3. Then E to G you have E, F, G. Here you have plus 2 and G and H means plus 1. The very next letter. So here you can see you have plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 means this is a decreasing series as they have told the number of letters kept in between adjacent letter on the series decreases by 1. So this rule is being followed in the third option. So your option number 3 is going to be the correct option. Okay. Then question number 6 to 9, you have to solve it in a given rule. Find the category of given words so formed by combination of letters arranged accordingly to form a meaningful word. So now again here you have a jumbled word or a scrambled word. You have to unscramble it and make a meaningful word. And that word suits which option that you have to see. Okay. So RAST, you have 4 options: gives light, gives water, gives news, gives money. So by just inspecting these alphabets, you get the word STAR, star. So children, what will be your answer? The star gives us light. Very good. Option number A gives light. In the next question, RAWET. Used in sleeping, used in talking, used for drinking, used for writing. So if you just unscramble this word, you are going to get a meaningful word, that is WATER, water. So water is used for which purpose? Yes, children? Yes, very good. Option number C, that is used for drinking. Next, HSRIT, and the options are cloth, fruit, vegetable and pen. So just by observing the alphabets, you can frame the word as SHIRT, shirt. So shirt is the example of a cloth or a fabric. Okay. And last one, RMCAH. It may be a weekday, month, fruit, or a flower. So if you just carefully, it will take 1 to 2 minutes, it might take. And if you have a good practice of unscrambling the words, then very easily you can identify which word is given. So this is M-A-R-C-H, March. So March, it is a month. Okay children, very easy. We'll move on to the next. So in question number 10 and 11, you have to follow the similar kind of rule, that is find out the word which cannot be made from the letter of the given word. So in the words will be provided to you and 4 options will be there. And you have to just inspect that whether all the alphabets of the given option are going to be present, or you can frame that word from the given word or no. That is very important. Now here in question number 10, you have the word reasonable. You have 4 options: brain, bones, noble, and arson. Now if you carefully just look at all the alphabets of the given word and option number A, the word BRAIN, in this the alphabet I is present, which is missing in the given word, that is reasonable. So you cannot make the word brain from the word reasonable. Okay, but bones, all the letters present in this word are going to be present in reasonable. In noble, all the letters are going to be present in the word reasonable. Okay, so here option number A, brain, you cannot make this word from the given word. Okay, next is the contemporary. Question number 11 is contemporary. You have 4 options, that is parrot, company, carpenter, and prayer. So now you have to see the repeated alphabets are also going to be there. Okay, so if you see Parrot, this word can be made from the word contemporary. Similarly, company, Company. You have all the letters from this word in the given word contemporary. Next is carpenter. Now just carefully you see here, I'll just write down contem, P-O-R-A-R-Y, contemporary. And the word carpenter, C-A-R-P-E-N-T-E-R, carpenter. Now we'll just strike out the similar alphabets. C-A-R-P-E-N-T. Now here again you have a R, but this alphabet E, extra E, is not present. Okay, in the word carpenter you have 2 E, but in the word contemporary you have a single E. So this word carpenter cannot be made from the word contemporary. So your correct option is going to be option number C, that is carpenter. Okay. And the word prayer, it can be also made from the word contemporary. So always carefully observe the options. Okay, when you are forming these kind of, you can just write down the main given word and then just cancel out the similar kind of alphabets, and then you will get that whether your answer is going to be correct or no, whether you can make a meaningful word out of it or you cannot make. Okay, so very carefully you have to solve this kind of questions. In question number 12 and 13, what you have to do, you have to choose one word which can be formed from the letters of the given word. Okay, so what you have to do, the 2 words are given and you have to choose one word which can be formed, from the letters of the given word. So in the last question, the words which cannot be made was asked, and in this you are asked the words which can be formed. So in option number 12, question number 12, you have the word measurement and you have 4 options: master, mantle, summit, and assure. So out of these 4 words, if you carefully observe, in the word mantle, L, it is not present in the word measurement. Again, In the word summit, I is present, which is absent in the word measurement. In assure, you have a double S, which is missing in the word measurement. You have a single S here. So the word master, this is perfectly you can make from the word measurement, because all the alphabets are present in these words. Okay. So the correct option is going to be master. Next is verification. From this you have again fiction, root, verify and rectify. So if you carefully observe it, you will see option number A, fiction. This word can only be formed from the word verification. Okay, children? Your option number A is going to be correct option. Now here, this is the last question for today's video lecture. So, and this is a different kind which I told you. Just by seeing the arrangement of numbers, you have to arrange the given words and make a meaningful English word. As we have solved the first 4 questions which we had solved, it is similar to that type. So, you have 4 options here. You can use the option method also, that which numbers are given in the option. Using that also you can do, or you can just unscramble the word and you'll find out that option number C will be your answer. We'll just check it. 3, 1, 2, 6, 5, 4. So number 3 is W, number 1 is O, number 2 is N, 6 is D, 5 is E and 4 is R. So you got the word wonder. Okay, very easy question. So if you keep on practicing more and more questions, then even in the exam, very easily you can solve them. So that's all for today's video lecture. Hope you all enjoyed very much. Try to solve more and more questions related to the alphabet test. Okay, children? And if you have any doubts, you can ask me your queries or doubts in the comment section. Or I have provided my Gmail ID also. You can mail me also. And for even for the online classes and other related queries, you can just mail me at adhikariaparna61@gmail.com. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get the notification of all the video lectures whenever I upload them. Okay, children, thanks for watching this video and God bless you.